How to enable Windows Fax and Scan in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to install this feature since it's no longer built in by default. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on System. From there, click on Optional Features. At this point, click on View Features next to Add an Optional Feature. In the next step, type Fax into the search bar within the pop-up. Following this, check the box next to Windows Fax and Scan, then click Next. Once done, click on Install, making sure you're connected to the internet. From here, wait a few minutes while Windows installs the feature. At this stage, once complete, open the Start menu and search for Windows Fax and Scan to launch it. Keep in mind, actually sending or receiving faxes requires a physical fax modem connected to an analog phone line, since this app can't fax over the internet on its own. Finally, keep in mind this feature also isn't available on ARM-based Windows 11 PCs, like certain Surface models with Snapdragon processors. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable Windows Fax and Scan in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.